Hey everyone, I'm recording this from my utility room, and the reason I'm doing that is because my gas dryer, a Whirlpool gas dryer, has not been working very well. The clothes have been coming out damp, and it's been running for an hour, and the cycle still doesn't dry my clothes. So here are a few things to check out before you call a repair person. These are tips that anyone can look at and do on their own before they call a repair person. In my case, mine had to be repaired by a professional, so I'll include that at the end on what I had to do for that. But here are the 3 things that you should check out before you call a repair person. So here's my Whirlpool gas dryer. I bought it as a pair from Best Buy. And before you even do any kind of repairs or call anyone, if your dryer isn't working properly, make sure you check out and see if you have a warranty. If you've bought this within a year, you might have a manufacturer's warranty or a store warranty. So be sure to check that out on your receipt. The first place to check if you're having damp clothes or an issue is actually your lint filter. This lint filter should be cleaned before each load, and it should be like this without any kind of dust or issues. The next place that you should also look into is inside the lint filter chamber. This gets filled with lint and dust and dirt, and you should vacuum it out with some sort of vacuum nozzle, or you can go online and get something called a lint lizard, which you can stick in here and clean out the lint. The next spot is actually on the inside of the dryer, and I'll change my camera view for that. So let me zoom out. So going inside your dryer, you have something called a moisture sensor. This is a common problem with most dryers. This moisture sensor needs to be cleaned. You can use a damp towel and wipe it. That sensor right here tells your dryer when your clothes are dry or not. And also you'll notice that certain clothing, such as smaller items, don't always get dried very properly. Such as babies' clothes, small items, delicate items, they don't always get dried properly because this sensor can't sense how much moisture is in your dryer. So for those, I recommend you use time dry. The next part is actually to clean out your exhaust vent or your dryer vent. Let me change my camera. So the last part, or the last place to check, is actually this dryer vent. This dryer vent should be removed and cleaned for any lint. And if it's directly connected outside, you can do this yourself by removing it and cleaning it with a brush and a vacuum. If you need to call a pro to clean it, then that might be a good idea. So for more extensive services, you might need to actually call a pro. So in my case, my dryer actually needed to have a professional called out. One, to clean out the dryer vents, because my vent is actually in my 2nd floor at the attic. And also, my dryer had an issue with the gas valve assembly. That went out. Normally, I would encourage people to do these things yourself and save yourself money. But if you don't have the tools or skills or know-how, it's best to call a professional. Search on Yelp or on the manufacturer's website, in this case Whirlpool, and find out if they have repair centers near you. Honestly, I went to Yelp and Googled and found some reviews of some great professionals, and the guy came out and replaced my valve, and the dryer's not heating. So that's it. So if you have issues with your dryer, try these 3 tips in the beginning: cleaning out your lint filter, checking your moisture sensor, cleaning that, and also checking your dryer vent in the back. Doing those can save you a lot of time and money. And if it doesn't work in that case, after doing all these steps, go call a professional. Thanks and have a good one. So if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. And also hit the notification icon on the bell on the right or left of this video. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps. Comment down below to tell me what you thought of this repair video, and also if there's other tips that you want to share to the general community. Have a good one.